I will now show you my implementation of my shopping cart. Um, so I can register users. And every time I register a user, it automatically creates a user, and each user will have a shopping cart. So when I press register on this, it will give me a shopping cart as well. So I press register. I'm going to log in now. SE3 and password. So I'll log in and I'll say hello. So all these have been saved in the database. I inserted a few items just to have something to display. So this is my list products JSP. I can add different items to my shopping cart. Each time you add or remove items from the shopping cart, uh, it will go to the session, go to each of their commands, and say the update in settings. So each of these are products, and they will be saved into the cart items, and the cart items will be added to the shopping cart. And it's just a shopping cart that's saved in the session each time. So when I go in and view shopping cart, there were the two additions I made. I can remove them. That just goes out and comes back. And yeah, if I want to log out and save shopping cart, so we just log out and save shopping cart. So that actually goes out to the database and it updates the three different tables. Um, so it was CH3, and this is, and I log in. So a list of products, and I'll just view. So that's the exact same as it was the last time. So just to show you that implementation. So as I said, that when a user registers, so I'll go into and show you a little bit of the code. As a user registers, so we have a user registering, you insert the customer, then you get their customer ID, and you insert another shopping cart. So I have a constraint that only one user per shopping cart. So this needs to be unique. Ideally, I would like to have this unique as well, but I just didn't have the time to implement it. Um, and yeah, that's it. And then I set a customer cart. So first thing I do is I check and see, is there any items in the shopping cart already? If there is items in the shopping cart, then I will delete all items from shopping cart. So I'll drop all the items and then I'll insert all the new items. But if there's no items in there already, it'll just skip that stage and move on and add them in. And yeah, and then I can get them. So each time I get them, like in each time I get them, so each time a user logs in, it will automatically get them through the customer service, and the customer service goes down to the DAO and requests them. So yeah, like I've implemented it exactly as I said. Apologies for being a bit late. I just had to implement the whole entire system. I was kind of urgent to do that. And yeah, that's kind of it. Thanks very much.